How's it going?
What's up?
Mind if I take a quick look in here quick?
Yeah, go for it.
Thank you.
Alright. We'll take care of you guys for sure. Nice. He has 4 bedrooms and a living room, right? Separate living room. 4 bedrooms. 4 bedrooms, yeah. You guys like the place?
Yeah, we've been here 2 years.
2 years, yeah.
We just don't know what we're doing next year, so.
Let me see if we'll
What's up? What's in that door, guys? Just a storage? Stairwell?
Yeah, basement has a washer and dryer.
Washer and dryer? Any parking spots or anything like
You
that?
get one for $100 a month.
$100? Alright, thanks. You look in here.
Yeah, that's weird. The guy doesn't can't sit in here.
What?
You can go in. He's just sitting at his computer.
How's it going?
What's it for?
It's down there.
Down there
On the
around
left
corner.
there.
Okay. This is the basement, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like in weird shape. But we'd have to,
Yeah.
trying to think. I guess we could have like